guys, did you like this project and do you want to make exactly the same as I did? Then I'm gonna show you what's in the kit. Okay guys, everything is inside in the kit that you need except for one thing. The solid cardstock that I use, this time I used the Pearl Grey from Clairefontaine, that is not included. So you only need to buy your own cardstock. Then you can prefer your own color, your own weight. That's totally personal to you, so that is not included. And otherwise the kit would weigh way too much. Alright, so the ribbons is inside. The flower set is inside. Of course, all embellishments are inside with all the charms and the rings and the chain. Everything is inside, the braids, the eyelets, everything. Then of course the burlap is inside. There is a big Tyvek envelope included. You only need this piece, but you will have more to use in your future projects. Then of course the protection sheets inside. And the chipboard, 3 big pieces of 2mm chipboard is inside, of course. And then the most important thing, of course, is the farm fresh papers. 78 sheets, A4 size, so look at the pile, that is huge. So everything is inside, guys, just as I told you, except for the cardstock. So just email me to get one. Thanks for watching, bye bye.